This poem is taken from a themed waltz. The poem itself is called Nature's Attack, and the poem speaks to global warming's impact on nature and how man continues to completely disregard the impact it has on their lives and the lives of others. The poem is very serious as climate change, global warming, and other matters of nature threaten humanity's existence. The poem goes as follows. Could it really be rain wandering towards land's mouth? Perhaps sunshine tired of her new liberty under ozone deficiency? After prancing along Earth's once polished skin, leaving it a parched waste bin, after dressing innocent forests ablaze, after leaving the Arctic creatures in a daze, the sun rose tired of its own haze. Global warming's rampage has used the sun to lay Earth atop hellfire, and suddenly the skies above swell. The roaring sun of yesterday presents itself unwell. Rain pours out from an infinite well. It seems the trees embrace crying sky. But man screams in terror, many bound to death. The wicked wind's silent steps trick them out of preparing for her arrowless, violent protest. Wind gleefully tosses buildings like monopoly dice, hoping to send putrid man to Christ. Man yells in disbelief as manic rapids regurgitate from polluted trains, flooding all. Man wishes in agony as if some unholy creature he wails. His quivering lips call upon a vexed Mother Nature. Mercy, 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 mercy. She responds by tearing down mountain ranges and sending tall demon-like towers to refresh parched earth. Man did not have time to react to Mother Nature's full attack. Rainbows dance along the blue. Birds chirp in flocks of few. Melodies of love enter ears too. The storm is over here. Make no mistake, Mother Nature is still vexed and awake. She has just moved her rage elsewhere. Snowfall, no snowflakes infiltrate lands of which they do not belong. Temperatures rise and fall to new extremes. Sunshine no longer stands calm. Rain is too angry to just fall. Mother Nature's warning calls are getting louder and louder. Mother Nature's warning calls are getting louder and louder. Thank you.